Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northern Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lanesboro, or 11 miles northeast of Preston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rushford around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Perkins, Mount Prairie, Ridgeway, Peterson, Money Creek, New Hartford, and Braxford. People attending Northwest and Appleton should seek safe shelter. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 257 and 271, and near mile marker 274. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near the Mississippi River, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore, Houston, and Winona.